kún Ọlọ́run ọba.
ewé ń jẹ́.
lọ́la kún báyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba.
ewé ń jẹ́.
ewé ajẹ́.
ewé ń jẹ́.
àwọn lóní gbàgbọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò.
ewé ń jẹ́.
La ilaha illallah, alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n iná ń ṣe mọ́ fún. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀ èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò.
If you want to separate yourself from a monitoring spirit forever, if you know that your monitoring spirit is very stubborn, and you want to separate him and you forever, you see all these monitoring spirits, they are a kind of evil spirits that if care is not taken, they can overthrow your properties. Are you with me? They will be controlling you. Some women nowadays, if they have stubborn monitoring spirit in their body, some of them, they will behave abnormal. Are you with me? And it's not their fault, because I always warn you guys that the only place that you can connect, that can contact monitoring spirits, believe me, they are in your toilet, in your bedroom. So when you're in toilet or you're in bedroom, you keep singing, discussing your matter with any other on the phone, they will easily contact you, or they will easily penetrate in your body. So how to stop them, how to separate them forever? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baba Wenje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to teach you how you can use any white stone to separate you from monitoring spirit that refused to let you go. And this thing is very powerful, tested and confirmed by me. If you know that you have a stubborn monitoring spirit that is stopping you, that monitor your activities, that control you to do whatever thing that you are not supposed to do, if you have this monitoring spirit in your body, it will take control of your life. You may begin to have a bad dreams, you understand, promise and fail, some attacks, you understand. So if you try this simple method that I want to teach you today, believe me, you will surely share me a good testimony. So you need a white stone, any kind of white stone. You can go to beach, or you can find anyone, you understand. Like this one now is a white stone. This one you are seeing here, this one you are seeing, it's a white stone. Have you seen it? It's a white stone. So this kind of stone, if you can place this stone at the corner of your of your room, of your house for complete 7 days. And if you confine it, so you can use it to separate yourself from monitoring spirit forever. So this is what you are going to do. You need 1 piece of this stone. Anywhere you find it, you must use only one. You can get this stone in the beach, or you get it anywhere. Like this one now. When I find this stone on the ground, that is why I want to share it with you. You understand? So this stone now, this one, you now place it at the corner of your room or of any part of your room for 7 days. So when you play this thing at back, at the corner of your room for 7 days, if you confine it, you understand, you are going to put this thing in a small container. You understand? You cover it, you cover the container. You can use bottle, you can use plastic rubber, and the bottle that you want to use, make sure that it's not a transparent bottle. You can use white plastic rubber, you can use any color, and you cover it for 7 days. So after these 7 days, open the container. If you can find this stone, then you are good to go. But if you can't find it, you need to find another stone and place it until you find the stone. So when you now find this stone in the container at the corner of your house, the next thing you are going to do, you can look for something like maybe grinding stone or anything that you can use to powder it very well. So divide the powder into 2. You understand? Put one in the warm water. Water you know that you can use to bathe every part of your body. I used to wash every part of your body. You can bathe it in the morning or in the night. So the half part, that one will be the separator. You understand? The half part of the powder, you take it outside, you blow it outside. You understand what I'm saying? So if you refuse to blow the one the other powder in the hair, the monitoring spirit is not going to let you go. But if you blow it away, believe me, it will separate you and that bad monitoring spirit forever. It's very simple and very, very effective. And before you blow the other one out, make sure that you use the first part to wash every part of your body. I think you understand. So the second part, after you use the first part to wash a part of your body, you now take it, the second part, you take it outside and you blow it outside. Please, Baba, I made a mistake. I first used the first part to, I blow it in the hair before I now use the other part to wash a part of my body. It's not going to work like that. You understand? So the second part you blow on the hair, that one will be the separator between you and the monitoring spirit. It's very simple and very, very effective, only if you follow the simple instruction. So please, if you have any other question to ask me, feel free to comment or to call me on 07037422552, or you message me on WhatsApp 09053332747. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Please, if you love this video, to like this video, and as you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family.
Àwọn lórí bábọ̀ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́ ewé. La ilaha illallah, Allawalu, Allakiru, Asọ̀hírù, Àbàtínù, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, àrà tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásíkúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.